Guys, today I'm going to show you this 2022 Wildwood Heritage Glen 25 RBHL. The RB stands for rear bath, so let's take a look at this one. We got the fiberglass front cap, super nice, sturdy, durable, reliable. You also got this pass-through storage. Wildwood Heritage Glens, they have a really nice way of making everything very spacious. So they do that with the pass-through storage as well. You also got an outside kitchen here. You got your grill. It's still in the wrapper here too. You got the grill as well as the refrigerator, so you can grill some burgers on the outside instead of smelling up the coach with all of that, you know what I mean? Especially the bacon. It's always the bacon that always lingers on. You got your dual axle here. It's got the wide stance suspension, so it's a little bit smoother of a ride as you're taking it down the highway. This one also does have solar, so, oh, and this power awning, look at that. And those LED lights. So while you're hanging out outside, you can also be hanging out at night because the LED lights are on. But it does have solar too, so if you need to charge your batteries, this will always keep them charged and they will never die. Well, maybe not never, but they'll have a less likely chance of dying. But anyway, solar is a great thing. Seriously, it's awesome. As soon as you come on into the coach, you got storage right here on the right-hand side. And you saw that the light is actually automated. So when you open it, that's when it lights up, and it saves that battery there too. So really cool. You also got this rear bathroom, so you can see the bath in the back. I like the model for this just because it gives you a lot more space in the rear baths. You can see that there's lots and lots of storage, and for a medicine cabinet at the top there, and even just these things over here with the drawers. Lots and lots of storage, as well as the door. It's a sliding door, which is really nifty. Another thing that's really cool about the rear baths is that if you have a wheelchair, it's also wheelchair accessible because it's a lot more wider, and you can see that the toilet is kind of like in the middle over there, so it's not really scrunched up or anything like that. It's really nice for that as well. Right over here, you got your reclining chairs, and they did it right, guys. They did it across the TV. So it looks really nice, really relaxing, and it's also got that AC unit at the top and the fireplace to keep you warm at night right down here. Really nice and nifty, okay? You also got your radio there as well, and there's some compartments here where you can use for decoration or anything like that. Check this out. You got the bigger size refrigerator in this coach. So really nice. It's both gas and electric. You can shop a little bit with more groceries in here than probably in a smaller travel trailer. You also got your kitchen essentials, which is your microwave, your 3-burner stove cooktop, as well as the oven. You gotta bake the pizza. You just gotta. Then you also got more places for storage on the bottom there, which is super nice. You also got storage right up here too. They really thought about it. Like I said, guys, Wildwood Heritage Glens are known for having that storage, large storage compartments. So really good job with that. Also got a nice sink over here. The sink is undermounted, so you don't have to worry about any of the caulking on the outside here if it was overmounted, but it's so really nice sink. You also got the removable nozzle and the drying rack right there. And if you wanted to, you can even put an extended table right here, so for more cutting board space or anything else like that. Before we go into the bedroom, let's take a look at this this dinette right here. You got a booth right here, which is really nice. Nice, yeah, spacious. I feel comfortable in it, not super cramped. I'm also a big guy, so yeah, it doesn't even hit my belly or anything like that. So it's really spacious and comforting. You also got, it closed on me, man. It closed on me. No, you got more storage compartments here on the bottom as well, so that's really cool. And again, of course, this does convert into a sleeping space, so if you wanted to host a little bit more people, you totally can. Come on into this bedroom here. Nice queen size mattress. You got electrical outlets as well as the USB ports on the sides. You gotta have those for your CPAP machines, your iPhones, your iPads, anything else you need charged, you can use that for that. And more storage for wardrobe closets on the side. your typical stuff here, but it's really, really nice and spacious. That's what separates it all. Let's see, do we have storage underneath? We do! Check that out. And it's even got the springs on the side, guys, so you don't have to hold this up while you grab things. It's a one-person job, and it's the springs spare all of the weight. Super nice and nifty. And last thing, too, is you also got this TV backer location. So if you wanted to mount a TV back here, you totally can. It's got the electrical outlets and the antenna cord just right over there, okay? And you even got this private, if you want more privacy, you can just grab this door and then just slide it on through. Boom, you're private. Now can I get out? Oh, jeez, I honestly thought I was stuck for a second. But yeah, this is nice, guys. I really love this rear bath model. If you like it, comment what your favorite feature is and call me, 541-799-8794. Again, my name is Kyle. Would love to talk to you and help you find an RV. Give me a call and we'll talk soon. Happy RVing.